bitaw sila, ingon bitaw sila nindot pa rin Genting. Nindot po daw.
After finish, I bring you pin.
Ganina. 347. Oh, diri. Ito pila.
Go Gindi, you run. Take picture after Batige coming. After bring you Twin Tower, Chinatown. One round.
How long you been being a taxi driver?
My taxi driver can be 1 year.
Wow.
Very long. I stand by in the Times Square. Because when Times Square, you got customer.
Oh, yes.
Shopping mall. Many bus coming Singapore, Thailand.
Sunrise?
Wala pa man.
Sunrise?
No, is the lightning. Ginoo ko, mga laag sel, mga laag sel.
I working because working you come back Singapore, yeah, I will give me a nice place.
Yeah. It's Bukid.
Somewhere in the mountain.
Mountain of Genting. Oh. We take the Star Mart.
Some are the good buses.
Really?
No. Really, why you know? Some people buy online, the bus no counter. Okay? You see Times Square in front, the counter, the red color. Samad.
Oh yeah.
You go back, the bus number, everything writing, and bus coming. 1 hour bus.
Singapore.
Every 1 hour.
Yeah, every 1 hour bus. First bus, 7 o'clock.
We stop by 15 minutes, I think. Just pee or want to eat or something. Tanaw, gusto ko pa daw kang tiyo. Tiyo, ini lang tiyo. Well, it looks like very cold here, huh?
You go see Genting summer cold.
The
Now morning.
Ooh, ang lamig, Maricel.
Why not? Napag-kape ito dito mag-ilista.
Mapagkita ka picture.
Di ba, ikabot na ito sa Genting nila na may kano. Dito mag-CR, mag-ilis.
Gilamos. Nagdamang kukuhan sila pa ng pangilamos. Mura malig malabo akong kuhan.
Wala ko kasi man kay naman eh mo. Kaya na siya tented.
Lagi. Tented mo good. Okay na kaya sel ang hangin sel?
Meron kay hangin. Abli sa mo ha?
No. Uncle, can I open my window? Just half only. Same as my other. Okay, thanks. Wow, it's very Wait. Ay, nakuha na kita. Kasi kanina na ako kayo. There's a sunrise already. It's very cold, so foggy. So, I mean, cold this one. Then my friend doesn't have any jacket.
Yeah.
But it's
Oh,
cold.
your body strong, okay lah. No one jacket lah.
Nirvana. Oh, it's real. I bless you.
Nasigoy ka ng kuhan. Kaya may siguro alas 8 kinahangat ko na sa...
May event?
Malignay ka ng kuhan ba nga? Night time nga. Kaya na nga, may makining kuhan. Yung mabusod ka na sa kuhan. Medyo marigat kuhan.
Abang, mariat sa
See how people running.
Why are they in hurry? They're in hurry. Going up. Profile.
Pasok ka yung story. Oh my God.
Dapat pala na ako sa tubangan, Sil.
Yeah. Pwede na lang nga. Ako pwede naman yung handa.
Ayaw lang. Ayaw na lang kay lisod po. So every time you're coming here, Uncle.
Many times. Sometimes coming in the night, morning, night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
So you're only waiting there for Jaya Times.
Every time waiting.
Ooh. Oy.
I stayed in the zigzag.
Zigzag humaning na sa Baguio. Baguio City. Baguio City in Manila, in Philippines.
Kahuli at ikan niya. Sige na. Mga kuno. Sige na. Magis lang pinagkuhan mo. Magis lang dyan.
Burug yung dali-dali. Kuyawan mo tanda eh. Mura ang matas. Ang mata kita. Driver running. No ko Lord. To the mountain. Wow. Woo.
It's nice. Only the aircon already.
Yeah, don't open it. Turn off la.
You can open this one. This one at the back.
So she will took a picture also. Video.
Okay, thank you. That's good.
This is natural one, you know.
Yeah, it's natural, but air is nice one.
This is
Not the aircon. Cold.
No, Genting Island hotel, no aircon, no.
Oh, they're not using.
Oh, because natural very cold.
Yeah. Good lah. Wow.
middle of the mountain.
People all
Yeah.
Genting.
Yeah. That's why your eyes must be. Woo. Wow, cold one. Uncle, do the video
Take it, no problem.
No, only the highway.
Highway na
Not
go.
you.
No, highway, some go on the mountain Genting.
Okay. But somehow, see the cars.
All go Genting.
No, I mean they're very fast.
All
This way is only for go to Genting.
Genting, can go Genting, can go Thailand.
But they're very fast.
Very fast.
I'm so scared.
Okay.
Oh, this is also the way for go to Thailand.
Can go.
I'm scared if it's so fast, Uncle.
Ayo. How driving,
It's like that, ma. See. Ayo.
Nah, this okay. Genting this one. Car driving, race.
Wow, race ah. Ayo, race. Wow, we're not planning going here, right? We're only planning Twin Tower and the Bata Caves. But you're offering us, okay na?
Okay lah, because you go at Bata Cave, when somewhere you go time. You want some.
See the clouds.
Like sea of clouds there.
Asa ang conceal? Wala na ko kita asa ang cable car sale.
Babaw ni.
Sa ibaba ni?
Ano man nagabaw? At hindi sa kanang toy. Atong Thailand, diba?
Oo.